Is Massachusetts now a coronavirus hotspot? Federal officials saying today they're focusing on Boston and Massachusetts. This as state health officials say 38,000 people have now tested positive in our state. And there's no obvious sign that the numbers are improving in any way. Good evening to you and thank you for joining us. I'm David Wade. We begin tonight with a closer look at the numbers. 1,700 new cases were reported in the state over the past day as we surpass 38,000 total cases. 146 more deaths were reported. A total of 1,705 people have been killed by the virus. And by the way, the number of cases is less than yesterday, but there was also a sizable drop in the number of tests. WBZ's Tiffany is live at the State House tonight with more on how the governor is working to fight the coronavirus. Tiffany?
David, Governor Charlie Baker says we are midway into that surge that we have been hearing about for weeks. He's hoping to test out a new contact tracing program to determine the best time for Massachusetts to reopen businesses. 146 new coronavirus deaths were reported on Saturday, bringing the Massachusetts total to about 1,700. Governor Charlie Baker told CBS's Face the Nation that he expects those numbers to go up in the coming days.
We're in a very different place here in Massachusetts than other states are. We're right in the middle of the surge now.
The data so alarming that the White House Coronavirus Response Coordinator, Dr. Deborah Birx, mentioned the state by name.
We're still very much focused on Boston and across Massachusetts, where the epidemics continue to spread across Massachusetts as well as in Boston.
With 38,000 confirmed cases so far, Governor Baker said Sunday he's relying heavily on data to control the virus, launching a contact tracing program that will track COVID-19 patients by phone.
We have got to have better knowledge and better understanding and support for people who are dealing with this virus and those they've come in close contact with.
It's a method Dr. Birx says other cities have implemented in an effort to get people back to work and to reopen the economy.
We look to Seattle, that has been containing the virus and contact tracing and really finding a series of small outbreaks.
The goal here is to push back on the virus the same way they did in South Korea, to contain it, understand where it is, and control it.
And more coronavirus cases means possibly more hospitalizations. New York's governor says he has about 400 ventilators ready to ship up to Massachusetts should we need it. Live in front of the State House in Boston, I'm Tiffany Chan for WBZ News.